Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Tech Helps, where we give you the best and the easiest tutorials. Today I'm going to be giving you kind of a tutorial, but some advice on how to get your first 10,000 views or more with a small channel. Now, I am from Raise MC. This is my channel here, but I am helping Tech Helps out on a new video. So this is my channel, Raise MC. You guys can subscribe if you want, but if we go here, I have a video called how to get Minecraft premium account free, and here you can see I have 15,000 views. But if you guys look here, it says that I only have 133 subscribers. Now you may be thinking, how have I done that? This is like pretty amazing. Like, yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this, and it's so easy, guys. So if you guys do like easy tutorials on many different things, I want you guys to go down right now and subscribe to this channel as it is very new, and it would help us out so much. And if you guys could subscribe to Raise MC too, that would be very helpful. Now guys, like the video and let's get on with the tutorial. Now here we are on the video here. It's just an easy video on that, but what you want to get your attention to is the keywords in this title. Now if you want to get over 10,000 views, you have to get a lot of keywords in your video, because your keywords is what gives you them views. So as you can see here, I was doing a tutorial on how to get Minecraft premium account for free. If you guys do want Minecraft premium for free, just go to this video here. So as you can see, it says how to get Minecraft premium for free right here, and it says no MC leaks 2019 free Minecraft no generator. That is a lot of words, and you really want to make sure your title has as much information as possible. Also guys, I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna show you the thumbnail. Now if you can see the thumbnail here, it's quite big. You know, you got the title, it's trying to show you that this is Minecraft, and it shows Minecraft premium free, and the free is really big. It's emphasizing on what your video is. So if whatever video you're making, make sure you're emphasizing on what you're gonna do in the video, as that will really make it attention grabbing and make sure that the people go on the video. So here we are on the video, and as you can see, I have got 12 minutes, and you want to make sure your video is more than 10 minutes, but that is to get monetized, that's to get watch time. But right now we only have 133 subs. We don't need watch time, we don't need to get monetized, not at the moment. But here we are, where we have here. So another thing, we're gonna go to our one of our other videos. Now this is another video from Raise. Here we have best sponsorships for small channels. This has got good feedback. Now you want to look here and you want to go to the like ratio. So here you can see I've got 83 likes and only 3 dislikes. This ratio is pretty good. You want to make sure that everyone is liking your video. As you guys know, please like my video. But yeah, I want to make sure that you guys are liking the video, because YouTube sees that people are liking your video and they put it on recommended and they put it on the YouTube search, and you get noticed. Now as you can see, if we go to edit video, wait for it to load. Now here we are on edit video. Why did I just click that? And here we are. So first of all, I just want to say there are not as many keywords in this, but we don't need to worry about that. We have nice things. I want to come here. So as you can see, we got a description, nice, and quite a big description. And right at the bottom, I want you guys to do, now we've done keywords on the title, but I want you guys to put hashtags in the video. The hashtags in the video will help you and honestly give you a really big up in the videos, and make sure people are clicking on your videos. And obviously this thumbnail is quite attention grabbing. You got YouTube, you got the money. But I wouldn't recommend this as there's no title on it. I would love if this had a title. It would have made my video so much more successful. But right now I'm here about the hashtags. Always have hashtags in the end of your description so that it comes up, and it just helps a lot. And this is the most important part of your video. Keywords are good, but tags are what get your attention grabbing and what people want. People want tags in the video, and tags are what comes up when you search. So say if I'm a YouTuber and I want to know the best sponsorships for small channels, so I would type in best sponsorship for small channels, and the tags will help you up so much, and your video will come up first. So guys, I want you to put in tags that are related to the video, and put as many as you can, and make sure that it's to do with the title. If it's to do with the title and they both match, then it will help a lot, and it just makes your views go so much higher. This video did not get more than 10,000, it got 1,000. But if we go to the Minecraft premium video, you will see that it is tremendously better. If we just go on this video here, so if we go to edit video, and here we are, we have the tags, and this video obviously did really good, of course, because of its thumbnail. The thumbnail is absolutely everything, but also the tags are amazing. I want you guys to go now on any video that you have and just put in the tags. How do you think you found my video? Maybe because you're a subscriber, but you found my video because you saw the tags, because I used the tags and you found my video, because I used the keywords too and you found my video. So if you guys could subscribe right now, that would be so helpful, guys. You don't understand, that'd be so helpful right now. So please, everyone, subscribe. And yeah, so that was how to get over 10,000 views. It was quite short, but it's really easy, and you guys can get over 10,000 views. You can get probably 100,000 views for all I know, but just using them tips that I just told you, I'm pretty sure 100% you will get a video over 10,000 views, and it will do good. And if you do have over 1,000 subscribers, and if you do have 4,000 hours of watch time, well, then you will get paid some dosh. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed one of our first videos on tech helps, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Shish.